Howdy folks, welcome back to Wonder Eats, and I'm here at Elmina with Mr. Duck himself. We're just taking a stroll and we're checking out the new Elmina Lakeside Mall today and bringing you guys along with us. And the reason why is because it's just opened up last week and we're having a look at what's in store. I believe it's a blend of outdoors and indoor mall. So yeah, pretty excited. The views here is gorgeous. Look at the surrounding landscaping. Wow, beautiful. And today is Merdeka, so happy Merdeka, everyone. Selamat Hari Merdeka. And that's why it also explains why there's so many people here today. So many. Car parks is a premium today. Anyway, let's take a walk inside. So here we are at the Urban Park, Elmina, and Lakeside Mall is 300 meters. They have playground, open field, cascade ponds, elevated walkway as well. So let's go. I think we're gonna cross here and make our way over. Duck.
Yeah, I don't know where we're going.
Yeah.
I'm just following you.
All the way there. Lakeside Mall. It's a huge park, that's for sure. Oasis. So anyway, as you guys can see, this whole area is the buildings. It's basically Elmina Lakeside Mall. So we're gonna walk from this side first because we parked the car here, and then we're walking all the way to the other side. All right, to check out the mall and walk all the way back. Sounds like a plan. All right, first and foremost, we come across a Happy Fish Swim School. Right now, I do feel like a swim. And then we have Toys R Us. Kind of an outdoor shopping concept, similar to some of the premium outlets.
Yeah, it's kind of low, right? Like one floor
Yeah,
rather than
yeah.
a giant
Correct,
building.
correct.
A whole different style of shopping.
And we suddenly have this little cafe here. Oh, from Gula Cakery Petite Outlet and Roti Jala. And there's an inner courtyard as well, right in there. Okay, we're gonna go one huge round and then come back and have a look what's in there. Somerset Baby Loft. You guys see that? Wow, that's nice. Very beautiful landscaping here, and the sculptures and structures. Restroom on the right, BHC chicken. Very cozy place, really, this mall, Lakeside Mall. We have Fish & Co. with their usual blue, royal blue color. There you go. These are the directory, and you have the main tenants here. Jaya Grocer, Harvey Norman. Nice, Mr. DIY. Major, meal and a celebration. Yep. Parathai. Oh, this is a very nice Saigon Pho Cafe. Beautiful. This is a nice sitting area, isn't it? Nice. Loving this concept.
The whole mall basically is an outdoor plan.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you don't actually go inside into an air-conditioned building.
Yeah, you don't. It's purely outside, and well, air conditioned is when you go into the stall.
Into the
Yeah,
individual stores,
individual
yeah.
stalls. Yeah. Kenny Hills, very popular bakery. They are here as well, with a high roof. Wow, so nice. Look at the ceiling.
Yeah.
Woo. Wow. Chica Bonita. Spanish food, perhaps? Ole Ole Bali. Look at the decor, man. Wow. Ole Ole Bali. Their decor. Nice. It seems to be like a main building or sorts. Perhaps that's where they house some of the restaurants or showcase the property development here. Yeah. So this is the inner side. We were just walking behind all these stalls, Ole Ole Bali, Kenny Hills, and then the opposite sides. Bike Artisans just opened with all the flowers congratulating them. And the end, as you can see, is Elmina Lakeside Mall signage. Elmina logo, look at that, it's humongous. Oh, Burger King. So there are a lot of exterior buildings or shops as well. And here we have Zeus Coffee. But this is cool, isn't it? Wow. Duck's taking a picture. City of Elmina Operation Office. That's cool. Not a lot of the units here are fully occupied yet. After all, this is only about 1.5 weeks since the official opening. The soft opening, I believe, was early of August. Bike Artisans. Oh,
Yeah, I saw that.
oh. Wow. With all sorts of frames. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, this is Duck's Wonderland. Right next to the bike shop, we'll have Sushi Zanmai, another popular Japanese restaurant. 7-Eleven. Overall, love the concept. Wow. A bit hot though. So if you need of air condition, you have to go into one of the outlets here. But overall, I like the concept, the openness of the whole place. Beautiful. And right now, the mix of shops, pretty decent. Not all are open yet, as you can see. But when they do, should be quite something. Oh, not Korean. Yeah. Should be quite something indeed. Alright, let's complete the tour, and then myself and Doug is gonna grab ourselves a drink. Pretty big 7-Eleven. Chuggy. Skechers, they're everywhere. Malaysians love their Skechers, alright. Here is where you can see the Lakeside Mall properly. Oh, I do see Coffee Bean right at the end there. I guess this is where you do the pickup or drop off, right here. And here the water feature. City Khadijah outlet. Oh, nice. Can enjoy a nice gelato next door. Watson. Look, optical shop. Jardine Coffee. Dolly Dim Sum on the right hand side. We walked past it just now. Anyone cafe or restaurant actually. Oh, they serve nasi lemak, wonton mee, white coffee. Mihiris China Muslim. 670, wow. Stretches here on the left side. Gadget store. Oh, so this is actually pretty big. I'm surprised so many shops are open actually. After 2 weeks, wow.
It's true. They've done well.
Yep. Chatremu. Nonya Colors. Lavender Bakery. Coffee Bean. And then we have Subway before Mr. DIY at the end. Lau Lau yogurt ice cream as well, and Boa fruits stall. Boost. This is where Jaya Grocer is. Home Baker Clover. Krispy Kreme donuts. Roll tea here. Premium cakes. Wow, the smell. Hot roll, roti boy. You can smell it 500 meters away for sure. Penang chendol. A whole shop dedicated to chendol and white curry mee. Nice. Cafe Buko. Something new. Nasi ulam ayam percik. And we have Harvey Norman at the end. And Toys R Us as well, because that's where we came in from. Tutti Frutti. There you go. I was looking for this.
Yeah.
Alright, so we are here. That's right. Yeah. So just now we parked over there, and then we walked all across here. Yeah. It's pretty big actually. So there are a lot of car parks here, in betweens. Yeah. and there was Burger King and Nat, and this was empty. And that was Zeus Coffee. Yeah. So the big ones are logo are highlighted, of course. And talking about Harvey Norman, we are just right next to Harvey Norman. So yeah, thanks for joining me and Doug here at Elmina Lakeside Shopping Center. As you can see, it's very vibrant. Today is Merdeka after all, and then the weekend, and the place looks very, very good. Definitely going to come back here with my family to check this place out and enjoy maybe perhaps a weekend here again. All right. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys like this content. And if you do, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and Doug's channel will be in the description below as well. See you in the next video.